welcome to my channel where I talk about all things cute. We're going to be unboxing a very beautiful Sanrio Cinnamoroll bag from Hot Topic. They released like a Cinnamoroll collection, I believe. I'm not even sure if there's a reason for the occasion, but I did buy almost every single thing from that collection, including the matching wallet, but I don't currently have it on me now. But as you're watching this video, I have already gone to the mall to pick it up because I did a pickup order because I'm tired of getting things delivered to my house. So anyway, we're going to start with this first. I'm not the biggest fan of the shape of this bag. Really what drew me into this collection, hold on, let me open it up first. What drew me to this collection is that not only is it Cinnamoroll and Mocha, but it's them on a carousel. And as you see, the logo of this channel and the new intro that we recently got, I love carousels. I love that carnival theme aspect to it. So that's why I picked up this bag. And also, in all transparency, I had a lot of hot cash that I was just trying to use up. So I got this, and I got a tarot deck themed with Neopets. Maybe I'll show that in this video too, why not? But I think this is absolutely beautiful, and I just don't like the shape of it. It's like those really round, let me see, it was $36.90. It's a bucket bag. So for me, I'm not a real big fan of how that sits and lays, but it is cute. I am going to use it. I always use my bags, even if they end up being really, there's a lot of stuffing in there, so I'm just going to take that off. Even if the bags end up being very small, which generally happens with novelty bags or like lounge fly bags, I still get good use out of almost all of my bags. So it has this handle here. It's covered in plastic right now, but it also has a longer strap to kind of hold on your shoulder and stuff, which is probably what I'm going to do, because holding a bag like this for me is just not practical to my lifestyle. And I feel like I'm more likely to drop it, or I don't know, something happened to it. So let me take off all of this stuffing. Honestly, I might put that back in since I'm not going to be using this right away. But yeah, this is the shape of it. Oh, let's look at the design. We have a little fluffy castle on some clouds. We have Cinnamoroll on a blue unicorn type of pony. It's not a unicorn actually because it doesn't have the horn, but you know what I mean. And then we have all the friends, really cute. And this reminds me of the Build-A-Bear from Mocha that I got recently. If you've missed that video, I will link it in the cards as well as down below because it's perfect. And the matching wallet is also beautiful. Obviously, I don't have it on me right now. I went to go pick it up, so you're seeing the close-ups now. I really love this wallet. And I love this style of wallet because I remember back in like the early 2010s, wallets were only really long, and that was functional and practical. But if I'm not carrying cash anymore, it's not really something that I need. So I do like the smaller wallets because they fit into the smaller bags. There's nothing worse than having a giant wallet take up space when you already have limited capacity. So mind you, also I'm kind of sick, so if you can hear a voice change, that's why. It really hurts to talk right now, but we are pushing through because it's my only off day. It does say Cinnamoroll right down here. I love the wallet. I love the bag. This is a really beautiful collection. And honestly, since we're here, let me show you what else I picked up. I might not try all of this on just because sometimes I don't like showing my body online, especially when I'm trying to get into a healthier lifestyle. But I did buy the crop top. I always size up on these because first of all, they're junior sizes and I am not a junior anymore. But I know they tend to run small and really cropped, so I got it in an extra large. Honestly, I could even have gone larger, but I, wasn't trying to take someone's size. Didn't want to get into that kind of territory. Also matching shorts, which I also picked up as well. Here they are. This is also part of that pickup order with the wallet. So I have to go to my local Hot Topic tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow's at the time that I'm filming this, it's Saturday. So Sunday I work, Monday I'm off. I'm gonna go pick it up. What else did I get from the collection? I also got the cardigan as well. I might just make that into a separate video because most people don't mind anyway. I hope you don't. But I'll probably add the Neopets tarot card to that video because it's so cute and fun, and I might make it into a YouTube short. I have been putting up shorts here. Let me know how you feel about them. Are you a YouTube shorts fan, or do you not think it's worth it? Because for me, it's hit or miss. Like sometimes I do like it, sometimes I don't, because it tends to be repurposed from other people's other social media platforms. But if you're not on those platforms, and it's just brand new to you, right? You know what I mean? So I don't know. And it's always fun to see what performs well on my YouTube shorts versus what is doing on TikTok or on Instagram. Since I finished it so quick, let me just show you the Neopets tarot deck. So this is what it looks like. I used to love Neopets, and I've been trying to get access to my account because it's not letting me reset my password. But here's the little guide. And I do have a lot of tarot decks already, but I think when I moved to this house like almost 3 or 4 years ago, I ended up putting them in kind of like an attic situation, and I don't have access to that attic. It's a long story. I don't know, like I just kind of wanted this mostly for the artwork, just because I absolutely love Neopets. So let me show you some of the artwork. This brings back so many memories. If you never played Neopets, it's like a virtual world. So you just earn money, you play games, and you can earn money. You can have a shop and sell things. You have a pet that you feed, and you can buy it accessories or buy expensive like paintbrushes to change its appearance, and like it could be very aesthetically pleasing, or you can just go with the flow. This artwork is just so freaking beautiful. And it's funny because this is a Sanrio themed video and I'm showing you Neopets, but I also do have a Sanrio tarot deck. This is a My Melody one specifically, straight from Japan. I have to review the seller, I just realized. I got it on Etsy. They have this as well with Kuromi, with Cinnamoroll, but I chose My Melody because it is a little bit expensive, so I couldn't get all of them. This is the Luna's My Melody tarot. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. It is in English and Japanese, which I really appreciate. I mean, I already know the meanings of these cards, but still, the artwork on this is absolutely stunning. And here's the back of the card. Here's some of the front cards. It's just gorgeous. Like, I've barely touched it though because I'm just so in love with how perfect it is. But I feel like I can get so many inspirations for new tattoos from here. Like, let me show you. Let's take a look because there's a couple that I really love. Where are all the cute cards? Where are all the cute cards? Like, I love this one. I think it's so cute. Look at the dragon. I love this one. Not as a tattoo though. I don't know where they all are. They're all like in here, but I gotta like reshuffle this. But beautiful. I don't know why I've decided to go. Even if you don't believe in tarot, I feel like I have a big appreciation just for the artwork and kind of the thought that goes into it. Usually from the creator or like the illustrator that they hire. Like, it's just so cool to see people's interpretations and, you know, their art styles. I think it's a lot of fun. Like, I haven't really been collecting art that much recently in recent years. And every time I hang up art here, for some reason, I guess heat rises and things start like things start like coming off of my walls, even when I put them, like, I don't know, I'm gonna have to frame my prints from now on instead of just sticking them on the wall. But nonetheless, this is what I got. So let's do a recap. We got the bag, we have the wallet, we have everything from the collection, which I want to make its own separate video about, and then we have the two tarot decks that I got, the Neopets one and the My Melody one. There's also a Cinnamoroll one, like I mentioned, so I'll put the links if you're curious. These go out of stock frequently, but then they always come back. I'm sure there are other places to get them at a more affordable price. I'm not really sure. These shipped internationally from Japan, and they threw in a really cute like free gift, so I really appreciate it. So I will be putting them from the seller that I purchased them from. I would love to go to Japan. There's so many things that I want to see in Japan, most importantly the Godzilla hotel and like museum. Like, that is just a dream for me. One day it'll happen. That being said, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it so much. Let me know if you're planning anything special for this spring or summer, since it's right around the corner. We're finally experiencing some heat here in New York City, and I'm actually not that happy about it because summer and spring are not my favorite seasons of the year. I really like fall and winter, but I will say fashion in spring and summer is better. And for me, at least, we'll see. We'll see what happens. In any case, if you made it to the end, let me know how you're doing down below, and until next time, bye.